Welcome back to Moto Craze, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the all-new 2025 Honda Shadow AC 1100, a modern twist on a legendary cruiser that blends classic styling with updated performance and tech. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just looking for your next two-wheeled obsession, this one's worth a close look. The 2025 Honda Shadow AC 1100 carries forward the iconic silhouette that cruiser fans love, but with a refreshed and bolder presence. Finished in a stunning Galaxy yellow, this bike doesn't just ride, it demands attention. The curves are smooth, the chrome detailing is sharp, and the stance is muscular yet inviting. From the teardrop fuel tank to the sculpted fenders and that low-slung seat, everything screams classic cruiser, but with a refined 2025 flair. In a modern white showroom, it looks like a showpiece, and trust me, it rides just as good as it looks. Let's talk features. Honda has outfitted the Shadow AC 1100 with everything a modern rider needs without compromising its old-school charm. The analog-digital hybrid instrument cluster keeps things retro but functional, giving you a clear readout of speed, RPMs, fuel, and trip data. LED lighting is standard across the board, from the headlamp to the turn signals and tail light, offering both visibility and style. The wide, comfortable saddle and swept-back handlebars make it perfect for long cruises, and with an improved suspension setup, the ride feels smoother than ever, whether you're gliding through city streets or eating up highway miles. Under the hood, the 2025 Shadow AC 1100 is powered by a fuel-injected 1,099 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers strong torque right from the low end. You get that deep, throaty rumble that cruiser fans crave, and a smooth power band that doesn't feel twitchy or overwhelming. The 5-speed transmission is perfectly geared for both relaxed cruising and a bit of spirited riding when the road opens up. Top speed clocks in just under 115 miles per hour, but more importantly, it's the ride feel that makes this machine shine. Acceleration is strong, linear, and predictable, exactly what you'd expect from a well-tuned V-twin in this class. Now, let's touch on pricing. Honda has kept things very competitive with the Shadow AC 1100. The base model starts around $11,999, which puts it right in the sweet spot for riders looking to upgrade from mid-weight cruisers or step into the full-size category without breaking the bank. Considering the build quality, brand reliability, and comfort level, it's honestly a solid value in today's market. So, is the 2025 Honda Shadow AC 1100 worth it? Absolutely. It's not trying to be a sport bike or a tech-loaded touring machine. It knows what it is, a stylish, dependable cruiser with just the right amount of modern updates to make it relevant without losing its soul. Whether you're riding solo across town or planning your next cross-state road trip, this bike delivers in both performance and character. That's it for today's review on Moto Craze. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more weekly Moto content, and let us know in the comments. Would you ride the new Shadow AC 1100, or are you more of a sport or ADV rider? Thanks for watching, and ride safe.